How to meditate in 3 easy steps. Step number 1. Find a quiet place to sit comfortably where you'll be free of distractions. You can choose a chair or use meditation pillows and sit with your legs crossed. Make sure you're relaxed, comfortable, and your spine is straight. You can place your hands on your knees or cross them in front of your lower abdomen. Step number 2. Focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale through your nose, slowly and inaudibly. Each time you inhale, feel the abdomen expand and rise. Each time you exhale, feel the abdomen fall. This is called natural breathing or abdominal breathing. Continue focusing consciously on this gentle breathing pattern. Step number 3. This step involves regulating your mind. Each time an errant thought arises, simply bring your focus and attention back to the breath. Completely focus on each breath, inhaling and exhaling. It's quite normal for thoughts to pop into your head. Just identify that you're having a thought and then let it go by focusing back to the breath. The key to meditation is quiescence and stillness, bringing the body into stillness, regulating your breathing, and quieting the mind. As your body, breath, and mind enter into a quiescent state, your spirit will slowly begin to awaken. You can start with just a few minutes each day. Try to add a minute or two each time you practice, but most important is to practice every single day.